get the taller windscreen so that I have more coverage. It blocks the wind a little more. So we're gonna get a cool little before and after of what it looks like. All right, starting things off, you're gonna be removing either your mirrors or your mirror block-offs right here. So underneath, there's two Allen head screws that are coming off. In my case, these are 3mm. So we'll go ahead and remove those. Next thing you take off on the right-hand side of the bike is this little plastic fairing that sits right in here. Be careful of these tabs, so make sure you pull it forward. There's 4 of them. Push it forward on the bike and then pop it out. Just be careful with it not to break it or break those tabs. So there was two screws that sat in there. So pop those 2 screws out, also 3mm, and then like I said, slide it forward. And over here on the left side, those 2 screws I spoke of. On the right side, exactly the same, so those are coming out. I already took out the mirror block-off screws and removed that plate. So turn the bars, get some clearance over here, and remove those 2 screws. All right, so now after removing this side piece right there, sliding it forward and out, we're gonna get right here and remove these 2 Allen head screws. That's gonna allow us to move this fairing out so we can see how these screws right here holding the windscreen have a backing. Well, there's 2 up here in the front that you can't really get to unless you pull this fairing piece forward. So that's what we're gonna do now. So you get these 2 screws out down here. I thought it would come loose, but it didn't. It was stuck. There's one more fastener where there's a bolt that goes right in there. All right, once you get those 2 bolts I spoke of, your front fairing is gonna be able to come off enough so you can access the back of those 2 star-headed fasteners in the front. At the same time, I went ahead and removed this one because it's loose. This one's a little more tight fitting. So just keep in mind, if you have mirrors, obviously they're big, just go ahead and take them all the way off. If you have mirror block-offs installed, if they're not snug and they're loose, just go ahead and remove those so you don't drop them and mess them up. So now we're gonna go ahead and take these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fasteners off. And there's like little rubber grommets, rubber nuts on the back side. So I'm gonna hold those with some pliers. All right, so once all of them are out, the screen is simply going to pop out just like that. And that is the stock screen. So quick comparison, here's the stock one, and there is the taller windscreen. They look, besides the fact that this one comes up slightly higher in that angle, they look the same to me. But we're gonna get it on the bike and see if it looks different, and then obviously go for a test ride and see if it feels better. It looks better, so not mad about that. I like this smoked out look. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and throw that back on the bike. I just got done putting this on. This makes it look even better. I got to trim the end and then put these little clips on wherever I put them. Somewhere over here. Oh, here we go. These little clips go on the end to secure it. But yeah, that looks a lot better with that little trim on there. Yep, about to go ride.